ko pa nababasa yung resolution, but we will investigate according to the tenor of the resolution. Kung ano ba yung gusto malaman ng resolution. Ako lang, ang personal opinion ko lang is an informal agreement made by one Filipino with with a foreigner is not going to be binding upon the Philippines, no matter the position of the Filipino. So, I mean, wala, ano yan? I mean, meron man o wala, lalo na kung meron nag-attempt that is not binding upon the Philippines. As a lawyer kasi, iba naman ang meaning kasi ng treason sa amin eh. So, in times of war lang yung treason. So, ang gusto ko sabihin, it could be unconstitutional, it could be unlawful, but definitely it is void. It is void. And then mabuti na yung malaman na, mabuti rin siguro this hearing will have a purpose in the sense that all foreign nations monitoring our hearings will get to know that should something like this happen in the future, that is void. Okay. A single Filipino, no matter the position in government, cannot bind the country in an informal, unwritten, unrecorded agreement, so-called agreement. So that should be the conclusion of the hearing. No matter the position, because it is an informal, unwritten, unrecorded agreement. So, malay mo, kailangan may concurrence yan. How can the concurrence be given to a he said, she said the scenario? Diba? If it is a treaty, but how will we know if it is a treaty? It is a he said, she said scenario. So, mga ganyan, basta mga ganyang scenario, void na po yan. Lalo na binabind nyo po ang isang bansa, that is void. Kaya nga mabuti na rin to kung may hearing tayo na ganyan, maklaro natin yung mga ganyan so that future leaders will not even attempt to do this. If President Duterte wants to address this, he can address this. But my point is, kung napakahirap i-prove ang isang negative matter paano kung ipapaprove natin sa isang tao na it did not happen? Wala eh. There is no record. There is no ano pa tawag doon? There is no mention even nitong gentleman's agreement during his term from his office or from himself. So why are we going to believe it na meron? And then dadagdagan ko nga na even if meron, that is void. No individual Filipino, no matter his or her position in government, can bind the Republic of the Philippines in an informal, unrecorded, unwritten, so-called agreement. Kung si Harry Roque ang source ng lahat ng ito, let him be ready with this proof or evidence so that he can convince us that there is really such an agreement. Pero if it is only the word of Harry Roque, I will remain unconvinced that there was ever an agreement. So balik na naman tayo sa he said, she said scenario. Pagdating sa government policy, it should not anong tawag mo doon? It should never be a he said, she said scenario.